Zapier Tutorial for Beginners, the ultimate guide to master Zapier. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Zapier. Zapier is a tool that allows you to connect and automate all of your processes. Whether you are working in your Google Calendar and you want to import things onto your CRM, or if you're taking dates from your project manager and trying to get them on your personal calendar, everything can be done with Zapier. So let's get started with the different solutions that Zapier provides and how we can use them. Firstly, if you head on over to zapier.com, you will see one of its major advertising is about their automation platform. Not only can it provide you a automation platform, but it also has multiple other uses as well. You can use it to close more deals, you can use it to elevate your customer satisfaction, and they have amazing tables that you can integrate to provide valuable data for your workflows. You also can create custom pages to power these workflows. So let's get started with Zapier. Now, to sign up with Zapier, it's completely free. You don't have to purchase Zapier, you don't have to buy a premium subscription. You can do it for free. Simply head on over onto zapier.com and then click on sign up on the top right. Once you click on sign up, you are going to provide your work email address, and then you're just going to type in your first name. And then after that, type in your last name. Click on Get Started for Free to proceed. Now I have created my account, so I'm just going to be signing on over here. And you can also sign up with Google. That just depends on your personal preference. And once you do that, this is going to be your dashboard. Now on the top right, you will find your personal account settings. This includes your profile as well as your notification settings, advanced settings, which allow you to add authorized applications, as well as SSL and sign-in checks, and a data management system. So if you want, you can delete your data as well as export any of your data. You guys will see that you will have all of your Zaps as well as any of the Zap runs, emails be included in your data delete. This allows you to reset your Zapier account without having to create a new one. Now, other than that, on Zapier, on the left, you will have a simple menu bar. In this, you have your home page. In your home page, you have the automation feature, which is powered by AI. This is currently still in the beta testing version, but it's still a great variation to creating zaps and automations. Below that, you're going to see a Discover section. The Discover section is going to lead you to different templates and different use cases that Zapier provides. This includes things such as lead management, sales pipelines, project management, and more. Now, you might say, if all I'm doing is creating Zaps, how can I have so many different use cases? Well, they're all very differently arranged. For example, for lead management, let's say you want to create a Google Sheet rows for new TikTok lead generation. Then, if you're doing things like customer support, you can save new Gmail emails matching certain traits to a Google spreadsheet. You can also send new Gmail emails as Slack channel messages. So, all of this can help you in ensuring that you're able to use Zapier according to your personal use. So, whether that might be in terms of sales, project management, or any other type of use case. After that, on your menu bar, you will have a Zap section. This allows you to see different Zaps that you have created. You will have a default folder, and you can create different folders for different types of Zaps. After that, you have your Tables section. Tables allow you to categorize and organize your data within Zapier. You can then link this data onto different Zaps and build different workflow automations. You will see that these are no-code database tools that allow you to store, edit, and automate data. So you will see you can start your data from Gmail, Slack, CSV files, Excel, Airtable, and you can also choose to start blank from the top right. Now, you have different types of data tables you might want to create. Sometimes you might want to create a data table for the inventory of products. You might want to create a table for your to-do list. You might want to create a contact list. And there are many other solutions that are powered by tables. Tables just serve as a all-in-one go-to section, whether you're looking to find all of your potential customers, leads, as well as manage your workflows with to-do lists or task managers. Below that, you have a section called interfaces. So, what are interfaces within Zapier? Well, if you go on ahead and click on the left menu bar, you can proceed with building different interfaces. This can allow you to create different apps, pages, or forms that are going to be powered by Zapier. You can create your own custom branding. You have different types of interfaces that can help you in automating a lot of your workflow because Zapier in itself is providing automation, whether it be in the form of zaps or interfaces. You will see you have things such as an AI logo generator, AI image generator, and much more. After that, you have two features such as your chatbots and Canvas. These two features are currently in the beta testing version of Zapier. Chatbots allow you to answer customer questions, resolve issues, and nurture your leads with automation. So, if you're running a Shopify store, you're going to be able to easily create a simple bot that can chat with customers if they have any basic queries and answer their queries with the data that it is provided. Then, after that, you have a Canvas section. Within your Canvas section, you can easily visualize any of the work that you are doing. You can build amazing mind maps and workflows that can help you in providing value into the work. Now, you also have a Zap history, which allows you to see how many Zaps you're using, and you also have a app section where you can connect different applications. You also currently do have a central tool, which is a custom tool that can help you in building your own AI. So if you're wanting to train your own AI, you can do that with Central. And then after that, you also have functions which allow you to build automations with code. Now, this was just an overview of Zapier. Let's get into actually using all of these features. Let's start with one of the most popular features, which is Zaps. So, for this, I want to first connect my applications that I am using. For example, I want to use something such as Google Sheets and Instagram. So I can click on Apps on the left, click on Add Connection on the top right. Once you click on Add Connection, you're going to search for the app of your choice. And Zapier has a wide array of applications available, so you really can find almost any and every app. And a pop up is going to appear, which is going to ask you whether or not you would like to connect to Instagram or whatever other platform it is. And you will see now my account on Instagram has been connected. Now I can click on Add Connection once more. I'm going to first exit this, go back into the My App section on the top left, and then I'm just going to click on Add Connection and I'm going to search for Google Sheets, and then I'm going to select Google Sheets over here. Once I do that, I can proceed with the account that I want to use when I am connecting with Google Sheets. Once you do that, you will see the account that is linked with Google Sheets. And now we can start building our Zaps. Simply click on Zaps on the left and then click on Create. Click on Automated Workflows, and now you can get started. Now, with Zapier, you currently do have the Copilot in the beta version, and it works really well, especially for basic automations that are not highly complicated. So, for those, you just can type what type of automation you're trying to build, and it will build it for you. Whereas, if you want to build something customized, you can just click on the trigger section and add your trigger. For example, I want to choose a trigger from Instagram and I will choose a event. So whenever, let's say I can search for any event, new media is posted in my account and I can choose, a different type of trigger, but I'm going to go with new media in my account. Then I want action. So I want a Google Sheet. And within the Google Sheet, let's say I want to create a spreadsheet column or create a spreadsheet row. And then I might want to add a specific data set. So I might want to select a specific Google Sheet, and I might want to clear the spreadsheet row in that. So I would know that this content has been published. And you can create them, you can copy them, you have multiple different variations, but After that, you're going to click on continue and you have to set it up. So you're going to have to choose your Google Drive as well as the spreadsheet, and you can click on the new spreadsheet that you want to use. To be able to create a new one, simply open up a new tab, search for Google Sheets like so, and then you're going to open up your Google Sheets. You're going to click on sign in over here, and you want to sign in to the account that you want to use to link to Zapier. And then I can click on blank document, not blank document. I had to go to Sheets. I'm going to click on Sheets on the left, click on blank spreadsheet, and I will name this spreadsheet Zaps, Instagram Zap. So this is just as a sample so I can show you guys. But once I create that, I can go back into Zapier, choose my newly created sheet called Zaps, and this is sheet number 1, and I want to choose values. So I'm going to add different rows, A, B, C, D, I'm just going to add values, A, B, C, like this. Now I'm going to refresh my results and it will show me different values. Let's say I want to clear the spreadsheet row 3. And then I can click on continue, and then I can click on test setup. So you can just test this entire step by itself, or you can skip the testing and directly set this as live. So your Zapier automation will be set live, and you will easily be able to remove things off of your content calendar once they are posted. This is just a really basic Zap. You can do a lot more with Zapier. And if you're looking for ideas, you definitely can find a lot of those within the Discover section. So let's say I want to do things such as marketing campaigns. So within marketing campaigns, you can see upload new Instagram media to YouTube videos as well. Maybe I want to create dad jokes with the AI chatbot. Let's say I want to upload new Instagram media to YouTube. I'm just going to select the Zap, and new media is posted in my account. And then after that, I want to upload the video onto YouTube. And this is the polling trigger, which is set at 15 minutes, which means that Zapier will check for new content on my account after every 15 minutes. Once you've set this up, you're going to select the YouTube account that you want to post this to as well. So just click on the YouTube section, click on over here, and you can choose the way you want to post this. So you can create video thumbnails, upload videos, and you're just going to click on the account section, and you are going to select the account that you want to use, and then just click on allow over here. And once you do that, you can just click on continue to complete this automation. Now, moving on, let's take a look at tables and how we can utilize tables to boost our business. So with tables, you can go on to tables on the left and click on start blank on the top right. Then you can start naming your tables. So this is going to be inventory management, and then click on create table. Once you do that, this will create a blank sheet-like table, and you can fill out information as is necessary. This allows you to take any type of data and link it to any of your Zaps. If you want, you can even link tables to Google Sheets, so whenever one is updated, the other gets updated automatically. You will even see on the left they have some recommended Zaps that go along with tables. Now, to make this really easy, I'm going to go into tables and I'll show you guys a simple template to use when you're trying to build tables. So you're going to go into tables on the left. I'm going to delete this sample one over here, and we're going to create a new one with a template. And templates make it really easy for you to set up your table. So you can see this is an inventory template, and I'm just going to click on that over here. And this will build a simple database for me to fill out on my own, where I can add my own product and the inventory that I have. You will see on the left it has the product ID, the date, item, vendor, description. Then we also have cost per item, quantity, need more, reorder quantity, send reorder request, last reorder note. If I want to add any other type of field, let's say I want to add a field for customizations, required, yes or no. And this is going to be, let's say, a text box where people can answer if they want more customizations in this. I can, write that up as well. And this will allow you to be able to add as much data as you want. You can also see on the left you have different views that you can view. You can click on Create View over here and build different views and filter out certain information for that particular view. For example, your sales managers don't need to know all of the other information. They just want to know the number of sales for every product made. They can filter those out and only view the number of sales made for every product. Now you can also click on filters. You can add filters to limit the number of items that are displayed. You can only display a certain type of items. And this will again help you in ensuring that you're able to find what you need. Then you're going to go into hide fields and you can hide certain fields as well as overall manage the settings of your tables. Now, after that, we have interfaces, and interfaces are a really amazing tool, especially with their AI training tools. So let's say if you want a simple CRM, you can build that. If you want a simple project manager, you can build that all within Zapier. Let's say I want a AI logo generator. So it's going to build me an interface and I can train the AI to build a logo. And this is going to be especially helpful when you're in a really niche industry. So in a niche industry, it can become really difficult for you to create and find AIs that are relevant. You'll see that this AI generator or this interface allow you to build something simple, and you will see a step-by-step guide on how you want to set this up. This is the AI template. So this is the logo generator and how it has been built. If we want, we can build our own interface as well as use one of these templates. Now, what about the overall performance of Zapier? Is it something that you want to be using? Zapier definitely is going to provide you with a lot of value, especially when you take a look at the hundreds and thousands of applications available. And you will see there are so many different applications. If you go into the Explore app section, you really can't run out of applications that can be connected. And Zapier always is available to listen to any other application that you want to connect. So if there is an application that you are using that is not available for you to connect, you can always request for that application. And more applications are frequently added to the Zapier app connections. You also have some amazing mind mapping tools and simple project managers and builders that you can use in the interfaces, which make a all-in-one platform like Zapier. So instead of having to use Trello, ClickUp, or 5 or 6 other applications, you can automate a lot of the workflows that are happening on other applications, as well as simplify them by doing everything in Zapier. The best part about using Zapier is the pricing. So Zapier goes on a pricing system that is based upon your usage. So depending on how many Zaps you will require per month, you can increase your usage and use them as you go. On the free version, you have 100 tasks per month that can be automated, and you have two-step Zaps, unlimited Zaps, as well as AI startups. Then after that, they have the professional version with multi-step Zaps, premium apps, webhooks, and email support. Then they have their team version at $69, where you have unlimited users, shared workspaces, shared app connections, premier support, and SSO. So SSO is something that a lot of larger industries are looking for because they want their users to be able to log into their systems with a coherent email and password, which SSO does allow. But if you're increasing the number of zaps with this to, let's say, from 2,000 to 10,000, your overall billing is going to be much higher for Zapier. This is just for Zaps. If you're looking for specific features related to tables, interfaces, and chatbots, they have simple plans that you can subscribe to instead of a system on the usage of your Zaps. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.